Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. You're probably looking at this title like non-sexy beauty favorites. What exactly does she mean by that? I mean exactly that. These are all beauty products that are just not sexy. These are things that I use, and you know, like if you saw me with some of these things, you would be like, oh, I get it. This is what she means by non-sexy. I'm gonna get into a lot of details with that. Essentially, these are things that are just like genuinely like not sexy. Like for example, like when a normal beauty favorites video talk about perfume, like that's so, you know what I mean? Like that's sexy, quote unquote. These things, honestly, I'm surprised my boyfriend is still with me with some of the things that I have in here, but that's neither here nor there. We're gonna get into it, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into this video. Let's start with the least sexiest product in this video. I don't know if you guys have seen this all over TikTok. It's kind of a trend. I was on this trend before it was viral, so let me just start there. Mouth tape, you guys, and you're probably like, oh god, this bitch is absolutely crazy, but no, mouth tape. And how you're supposed to use it, you're supposed to put it on your mouth, obviously at night, because there is actually like studies done on it. Breathing through your nose and not your mouth when you sleep is actually better for you and leads you to like get deeper sleep. You're like in REM sleep longer. Also, sleeping with your mouth open, they have said supposedly that that's how you get like that weird like double chin thing happening. So just sleeping with your mouth closed completely is kind of the way to go. You get a lot of health benefits from it. I don't know if it's 1000% true, but me personally, I do notice a difference when I sleep with a mouth tape versus when I don't sleep with a mouth tape. Now, I don't know if that's like a placebo effect, kind of like messing with me, but that's neither here nor there. I use it because I definitely get deeper sleep with it. Also, I am a big mouth open sleeper. Like I will wake up and I'll be like my mouth will be fully open, and I just think that that is not sexy. Like that is just like, no, I don't want to be sitting there with your mouth open. And also guys, when you sleep, like cockroaches, spiders, like whatever can like crawl into your mouth, and no, I don't need that. So I've been using mouth tape for well over a year now, and honestly, I have to say I love it. I do love it. If you were thinking about jumping on the bandwagon, I definitely don't think you'll be disappointed. Like I said, I've been using it for well over a year, and I am very, very, very into it. And yeah, and also doesn't want to have like a nice chin, because obviously sleeping a lot, like every single night, can definitely like affect like wrinkles and stuff like that. So whatever, I'm just trying to prevent some aging, trying to prevent some bugs in my mouth, and also trying to get into REM sleep all night long. So am I on the bandwagon? Yes. Next item I've spoke about a bunch of times on here, I'm pretty sure, the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Under Eye Patches. You guys, I have said it a million times, I sound like a broken record. I go to the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'm literally driving at 5 o'clock in the morning exhausted. The only thing that wakes me up are these under eye patches. I keep mine in the fridge because I want them to be ice cold when I put them underneath my eyes. And you guys, let me tell you, by the time I get to the gym, any puffiness that I had over here is gone. And the reason I love these ones specifically is because you know how sometimes they have all that skincare on them, they slip and they slide. No, these literally are like tape. You put them on, they will not budge. These are my favorite. I have purchased probably like 100 of them at this point. I cannot be without these, especially going to the gym. And I also have really dry eyes, so this helps cool down like any allergies I have going on in my eyes, helps with any puffiness, and just helps me wake up for the gym. So are these a must? 1000%. And these are just like, they're not sexy. Like there's nothing sexy about an under eye patch underneath your eyes. I don't know. So yeah, those non-negotiable. Tried so many pimple patches. I have tried the ones with the little stars. I have tried so many at Sephora, whatever. The ones I always go back to are Mighty Patch. These ones, you guys, I do not think anything compares to them, and they're also, in my opinion, the most affordable. You get 36 of them, and I think they're like $15. I'm really not 100% sure on the price, but I do know that they are less expensive than the star ones, and the star ones, in my opinion, do nothing. I bought them at Target because these were locked away, and I did not feel like waiting to get like anybody to come get them, so the other ones weren't, so I grabbed those. They did nothing for my, like for any pimples I had. I was like, all right, this is such a waste. Like I can't found the star ones to be such a waste. They did nothing for my pimples, nothing for my breakouts, so I was like, all right, we're done with you, and we're gonna go back to my hero. Are they hero? Yeah, my hero Mighty Patches. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. These are my favorite. I use them all the time, and yeah, they're amazing. You're somebody that gets texture on your skin, texture on your arms, any type of bumps, you are gonna wanna pick this up from Cycler. This is their Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Body Spray. I got this in PR maybe 3-4 months ago, and I just started using it within the last few weeks, and you guys, the texture behind my arms is nowhere near how it was before I started using this. So I absolutely love this spray. You can use it on your feet, you can use it on your legs, you can use it literally anywhere. So if you get sometimes I will get a little chest acne, and this, you guys, I actually had it maybe 2 weeks ago, I think. I don't remember what it was from. I think maybe it was irritation or something, but I had little bumps and little pimples. Use this, gone within a day and a half, okay? So do I love this? 1000%. So if you're somebody that has a lot of texture behind your arms, your legs, your chest, your back, this from Cycler, yes. An all-over body treatment spray that exfoliates and smooths uneven texture while brightening the look of hyperpigmentation. So it says it has 10% glycolic acid, glycerin, tripeptide, pomegranate enzymes, and fermented black tea. Yeah, this, you guys, is a must add to your body care routine. I love it. Okay, let's talk about another item. This, you guys, I love this product so much. It's my holy grail. I rave about it. It's foot cream. You guys, listen, I'm a dry skin girl, head to toe, so I need all of the hydration I can get. My feet, for whatever reason, they just like to be dry, but that is okay because this product right here from Prequel will solve all of your dry feet problems. This is I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. This is called the Foot Rescue Advanced Restoration Treatment. So it has 15% urea, 5% salicylic acid, 2% malic acid, and petroleum. This is definitely the consistency of petroleum. So I have to shake it up. This is what it looks like, and you guys, it's nice and thick, and let me tell you one thing, your feet will not be dry. This is not something you can put on during the day and kind of go do your thing. No, you want to put this on at night, put some socks on, let it marinate. You will wake up with the softest feet known to man. This, you guys, as you can see, she is very, very, very well loved. Nothing wrong if you have dry feet. Listen, we're all human. It happens. This, you guys, will solve all of your problems. Honestly, if you're somebody that doesn't want to get a pedicure every 2 weeks or every month, whatever the case is, but you do it because your feet are so dry, check this out from Prequel. This will literally prolong your pedicure for a month to month and a half. In the winter, how do you think my feet survive? This is absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's just great. I've used it so many times and I cannot say enough good things about it. I want to talk about Bioderma because obviously I love Bioderma for taking off my makeup, doing all that. But you guys, the real reason I cannot be without Bioderma is because of my eyes. And I'm gonna explain. In the morning, I wake up, like I said, my eyes are super dry, they're super puffy, they're just irritated. I wear makeup, sometimes all the mascara, it comes off, but sometimes you get little crusties in your eyes. The only way that I find that I can get rid of every little crusty, little dryness is Bioderma. To give you a little backstory, I went on a cruise last year, I misplaced my Bioderma, and I was nearly having a frigging stroke. My poor best friend, she was with me, and she was like, I have makeup wipes, and I was like, no, you don't understand the purpose behind this Bioderma. It is because my eyes get so dry, and it's honestly because I sleep with my eyes not open, but kind of like that, where they're just, I have little slits, and I don't know, I just sleep like that. It is what it is, and the only way that my eyes are not super irritated is because of the Bioderma. I literally take a Q-tip, I will get right in here, get rid of any crusty, any dryness that's going on, and yeah, you guys, Bioderma for my taking off my makeup, for getting rid of any dry, weird stuff happening with my eyes. Yeah, I know it's kind of gross that I'm saying that, but it's the truth, and I'm just being completely honest and transparent over here. If you do not have Bioderma and you suffer from dry eyes like me, yeah, you're gonna want to pick this up. At this point, you guys probably can get the gist that I have very dry eyes, or I have very sensitive and dry eyes, and it's because I sleep like that. My eyes don't fully close when I sleep. It's a weird thing, I know. But I did also get LASIK about 9 or 10 or about 8.5, 9 months ago. One thing I will say, I do not have severe dry eye, but there are some times when I wake up and I only got LASIK in one eye, by the way, long story, but I only had it in my left eye. There are times when I wake up and my eyes are so dry and irritated, especially the one that I got LASIK in. The way that I fix that is these Fresh Plus lubricating eye drops. It literally says on here, I'm pretty sure it says for LASIK. This is the recommended brand and the recommended eye drops if you have had LASIK eye surgery. So after I went, my doctor gave me a bunch of these because he was like, you're going to experience a little bit of dryness, so make sure you use them. And yeah, I definitely did experience the dryness. It wasn't intolerable. I definitely was not intolerable. If you're getting LASIK, I don't want to scare you, but there were mornings, and there still are some mornings when I wake up and I'm like, oh fuck, my eye is dry. Literally no lubrication whatsoever, and I'm like, all right, we need to take care of this. So these Refresh Plus lubricating eye drops, I absolutely love them. I honestly use them every single day because I love just the way they feel in my eyes, and mine in the fridge so that when I put them in, they are nice and cold, and any dryness or any discomfort that I was having is instantly gone. This is what they look like. So they come like this. They are a single use product, so once you open it, you can't like use it again, like just use it in one shot and move on. Yeah, how many? 50 come in here, and I go through them pretty quickly because I do use them every single day, but I love them. Even if I didn't have the LASIK eye surgery, I probably would still be using these just because they feel nice and refreshing, and I already do suffer from dry eye. Like, I was diagnosed when I was like 16 years old because my eyes were so red, my eyes were so irritated. I'm sure you guys have heard me say it on here, like I have very sensitive eyes, and it is because of the dryness. So these, you guys, are an absolute must-have. These and these Rare Beauty under eye patches, they save my dry eyes, okay? Without these, I would be lost because I really do suffer pretty bad when it comes to like my eyes and whatever. So yeah, these, absolutely love them. Okay, let me talk about one last non-sexy beauty product. I have these in my work bag all the time. This is another non-negotiable, Colgate Wisp. These are disposable toothbrushes, you guys. Let me show you how they look. This is what they look like, just a little wisp. I have spoke about these before on my channel. You guys, I absolutely love this. They have a little minty thing like right in the middle so that it gives you like fresh breath, but I love these because it's, in my opinion, I like them better than like regular, what is it called, like with the floss and all that, because they really actually like make your teeth feel clean. Like, I will clean my teeth after I eat my lunch, you know, get rid of anything if I have any food in my teeth, whatever, and I will feel my teeth afterwards and they will feel so clean. My mouth will feel nice and minty and fresh. Everything just feels clean. So these, you guys, it's something for on the go that's super easy, that isn't gonna like take a lot. Literally, there's no rinse required either, so I literally just brush and just throw out the toothbrush and be done with it. These are absolutely amazing. Order them so much, you guys. Like, I refuse to be without these because they are such a non-negotiable. I absolutely love them. So yeah, these 10 out of 10 recommend. I even throw one in my purse sometimes if I'm going out, because you never know, when you eat something, you get a little bit of food stuck in your teeth. Who wants that? That's not sexy. So yeah, the way to solve that is with these disposable toothbrushes by Colgate. 10 out of 10 recommend. I usually get mine on Amazon because I feel like word is out and a lot of people like buy these and they're always sold out. So I do get mine on Amazon, but yeah, I am obsessed with them and I cannot be without them. All right, you guys, so that completes this video. I know it wasn't your like traditional like beauty favorites video, but I thought we could just keep it real for a minute and really talk about things that are just not like sexy, because what is sexy about having dry eyes? What is sexy about mouth tape? Like, literally nothing. But these are all products that I use to help solve any of those issues, and I really hope that if you guys have dry eyes, dry feet, if you're experiencing anything about what I spoke about in this video, that you feel like you're not alone, because you're not. We're human. It happens. Nobody is literally perfect. So if you're sitting here thinking that somebody out there is perfect and they're not suffering, or they don't have issues, or they don't have this or whatever, you're wrong, because somebody always has something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what non-sexy beauty favorites you guys love, and let me know what you use them for, because this could be so fun. What you're using that's not makeup or not like beauty or not skincare to keep up with beauty, if that makes sense. So let me know in the comments, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.